What do you do with onions that you have in your house that have started to sprout and have started to rot around the edges and stuff? You just throw them out? Well, we're going to talk about that today, so welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. We're all about teaching you how to do things yourself to save money. If you like saving money, subscribe to our channel. We'll help you with that. So today we're going to talk about onions. And we had a bunch of onions left over from last year's crop that were in our back room where we store stuff like that. And they'd started sprouting and they were getting to the point they really weren't good to be used. They're starting to dry out and rot a little around the edges. I wish I'd taken a picture of that, but I didn't. I apologize for that. But instead of just throwing them away like we would have done in the past, I brought them out here and planted them. I'll show you a picture now of what they look like right after I planted them, because I do have a picture of that. But just to give you an idea, these were last year's crop of onions. We got another crop over here for this year. You might see them a little bit right here behind me. But I just took these and planted them in the ground, and they, like I said, they were already sprouting. And I've done this before, but like this one right here, that's one of the onions that I planted. You can still see some of the bad stuff that rotted off earlier around them. But I'm going to bring this up to the camera and let you see it real close. This is what I've got now. I just pull these apart. I got 3 real good onions there. Still got some of the old hull in it. See, that was rotting, and it's even rotting more now. But now I've got 3 good onions out of that one that was sprouting in the house that ordinarily we would have just tossed out because they weren't any good to use. And like I said, I just brought them out here, stuck them in the ground, and now I got 3 small onions that are really good. I actually pulled a couple of these a few days ago and chopped them up with a sandwich. Really good onions. So if your onions sprout, don't throw them away, plant them. At this point, I'd just like to say thank you for visiting Do It Yourself with Wayne. We hope you have a great day and a wonderful gardening season.